Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, on today's tutorial I'll be doing another trending gele style for you guys. So one of you sent me this picture of this gele that I'm tying today. So I told you guys I'll be posting every day because most of you really send me a lot of pictures of tutorial you want me to do for you guys. So that is what I'll be doing now. So if you want to send me pictures, just go to my Instagram page, DM me and send me the picture of the tutorial you want me to do for you. So today tutorial that I'm doing is one of the picture of tutorial someone sent to me that I should do tutorial on. So that is what I'm doing. So at first I start creating my pleats. So for this gele ratio guys is 50-50 ratio. So I create my pleats, I go back. When I go back, I bring the both and I cross the both and bring it back to the front. Now extending the pleats. So what I'm doing now, I'm just creating my pleats. So I tell one of my students to hold it for me at the other side. So I'll be posting the look that you saw on my model. I'll be posting it very soon because I feel that some of you did not really like watching makeup. So it's the gele that you guys really like watching. So that is why I've not been posting makeup tutorial for you guys. So let me know at the comment section if you really want me to be posting makeup, because I really have a lot of makeup tutorial lying down already. But I noticed that it's the gele tutorial that most of you really like watching. So that is why I've not been posting makeup tutorial for you guys. So let me know at the comment section if you want me to be posting makeup tutorial often for you guys. So now I'm just tying it. I'm just tying the gele. So I'll be tying it second time again. I'll be tying it the second time again. So guys, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell for you guys to know whenever I upload a new video. So now I'm just going back now, adjusting the gele. That's what I'm doing now. I'm adjusting the gele. So if you want to send me any picture of gele that you want me to do tutorial on, just go to my Instagram at glambeauty30. DM me there and send me the picture. I will definitely try and do my best to do tutorial for you guys. I really love you guys now, so I'll try my best to do the tutorial. So that is all about the gele. It's not something that is very hard. It's something that you can just do yourself. I've already even do one of this gele for you guys, just that this style is somehow different from the other one that I created. So guys, that is all about this gele. So love you guys, see you in my next tutorial. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell for you guys to know whenever I upload a new video. Bye, love you guys, see you next time. Bye.